Hey y'all, hey, I'm back with another video. I took a reset when I went to Mexico, and instead of just resetting, going to Mexico and then coming back and like going full circle, I just kept relaxing. But now I'm done relaxing and I'm back to start back going hard. For real this time with no breaks because I have no vacations planned. And I came up with a theme. So I think my theme is gonna be as taught by Tay, or Tay taught me, or something like that. I'm not 100% sure yet. But today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make what I call a phony pony. Y'all see this right here? This is a phony pony. So what you're gonna need is some knockers. That's what we call them. In Tampa, we call them knockers. In Florida, we call them knockers. I think other people call them bobos, barrettes, whatever you call them. You're gonna need some of these. You're also gonna need some, I'm gonna teach y'all two ways. I'm gonna teach y'all the lazy way, and then I'm gonna teach y'all the way if you wanna do the twist or braid style yourself. And these are perfect for kids with, if you have a daughter with short hair or who hair isn't where you want it to be at. You put these phony ponies on them and boom, there go they hair. They're lightweight. They're not actually attached to their scalp, so there's no real irritation or anything like that. They're just the perfect go-to. Easy, like you just gonna put their hair in a little ponytail and then put it in a ball, and then you're gonna attach this to it and their hair gonna be done. It's gonna go from taking you 2 hours to get their hair done to like 10 minutes. But let me show you how to do the phony ponies. You are gonna need beads, whatever beads you're gonna use. You're gonna use some pre-twisted hair, whatever length you want. I got this long length, but truly my daughter hair is not gonna be this long, but you're gonna see how I'm gonna make it shorter. Or shorter, bigger ones by Bobbi Boss. I got color to add a little bit of color to her hair, but this is the length that I probably would use, but they didn't have it in her hair color. Think about it, her hair not even a 2, her hair is a 4. God dang. Okay, we're gonna make it work though. You're gonna take between 4 to 3 pieces, depending on how thick you want it to be or how many you want on the ponytail. Then you're gonna take your knocker. Again, I'm going to put 3 knockers on each just because I like when the bows are kind of big. Right, to crochet this to this. See this loop, this opening right here? You're gonna create an opening like that, and you're gonna just 1, 2, 3. There you go. You're gonna do the same thing with the next piece of hair. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. There you go. And just like that, you got a phony pony. Let me see what Faux is giving. This one I did 3, and then I'm gonna put some bows on the end. Then I'm gonna show you guys what it's like if I just do 2. Next, you're gonna add your beads. You do have to remember is whatever bead you want to be at the end is the bead that you're gonna put on first. I want this color at the end, so I'm gonna put this bead on first. I actually want this color at the end, so I'm gonna put this bead on first. Just gonna fill up your beader with your beads. And then you're going to bead your phony pony on. This one through. See? Stick that hair through. Pull it out. There you go. Like that. And then you're just gonna slide this through. And to pick whichever length you want the hair to be. Like, my baby little, so I don't need it that long. I'm gonna have it like right there. So this last bead, I'm going to, as if this was her hair, do this, rubber band it. 1, 2, 3. And to cut the excess hair off. There you go. And then boom. There you go. And now you're gonna do that. Oh, let's hide this bead. There we go. There we go. And now you're gonna do that for the next 3. You're just gonna repeat this step over and over again until all of your things are beaded. There you have it. A phony pony. And when you attach it, you're gonna see. You're gonna see how easy it is to do your daughter's hair. All right, we're gonna repeat this a couple more times. Let's say you're giving her 3 ponytails or 4 ponytails. That's how many of these you're gonna make, which is gonna make your life so much easier. So, all right, so we're gonna do another one so I can make sure y'all know what y'all doing, right? You're gonna take your bows. You can either do one at a time, but I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 at a time because I already showed y'all how to do it one at a time. You're going to open up the base of your crochet. Who is that? And y'all room need to be clean.
And y'all got another 2 hours. Like eating all that
when
stuff.
You open your base, let me see if it's gonna focus. Focus here. Oh, here. Okay. When you open your base, you're going to slide these in. When you slide it in, look. When you slide it in, there you go. Go your pony. There go your phony pony. There you go. Now you're just gonna bead it again. I see I'm gonna have to end up just talking because y'all ain't gonna stop. Y'all ain't gonna be quiet. Ran out of the other color. But it's cool. It's all gonna blend. We're gonna make it real life. Pull it out. Go ahead and bead all of them if you want to. That's what I feel like doing, making my life easier. Beading all of them. Hey. That background noise. If you mess up on pulling the hair through, it's not a big deal. You're going to cut that end part off anyways. Push it on, pull it out. Gonna do it again. Remember the color that you want to be the bottom color, you're going to put that color on first on your beater. You're going to twirl it a little bit so that you don't mess up when pulling the hair through. Push the hair through and pull. There you go. Then you're going to slide this on. All right, next I'm gonna show you guys how I do my 2 ponytails ones with bows on the end instead of beads. And then we're gonna use 3 knockers. 3 knockers. And then remember the colored hair I showed you? This is where we're gonna put the colored hair in. My daughter is only 1, so we're not gonna do too much color, just a little pop of color. But here's our setup, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you. All right, so here we go. This time we're gonna have 6 of these, and it's gonna be pretty much the same technique to start. You're gonna open this up. I'm gonna open up all of them except for the colored one, because that one is a little more difficult to get the band through. But I'm gonna open all of them up. And literally you open it by untwisting the base just a little bit, and that'll open it up. Open it up for you. CJ and Carter. CJ and Carter. You're gonna take all 3 and you just gonna put them in. Put them through the hole. Put them through that hole you created. That's all you're gonna do. When you have all 3 through the hole, you're gonna pull it a little bit to make sure it's secure, and there we have it, all 3. Now you're gonna add your color one. And it's kind of like the same thing, but you have to be careful because this one will unravel. I don't know what it is about the colored ones, they unravel easily, so you have to carefully put it through. And there you go. This is super simple. All right, after you have all of this on, you're going to just put your bow how you normally put your bow at the end. I start on this side, facing this way, and then I wrap it around. I just wrap it around all the way to the end. And then when I'm that way, there we go. Now, see, there go our butterfly. That one upside down, but that's fine. If you're paying that much attention to my child's hair, shame on you. You're gonna do the same thing. Remember, make sure they're all about the same length. Just gonna take it and wrap it around. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Wrap it around as much as you can. Pin it closed. These ones are simple. These are easier than doing the beads. It's not much to it besides wrapping it around and making sure it's pinned closed. I guess your biggest obstacle is going to be making sure they're all the same length, which you could do by measuring it before you wrapping it around, so you'll know how much to wrap around. It's the fact that all my butterflies are upside down except 2. This one not going to be upside down, I don't think. Wrap, 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 wrap. There we go. And there you go. Just that simple. There go your knockers. There go your bows on the end. This one is going to be 2 ponytails. That's why I had so many. But that's it. All right, now I'm going to do the next one. Now that you made the bony ponies, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put it on. So I went ahead and put my daughter's hair in 3 ponytails. It took me forever because she was fighting me every chance she got. Like, I don't know, she just didn't want to sit there, but she did want the ponytails on. Wait until you see her reaction. She absolutely loves the ponies. But, yep, there she go getting her hair done. And now we're just going to wrap the knockers around like you would normally do. Like, take it around twice and then put the knocker on how you normally put it on. You're going to do that twice. But on your last wrap around, you're going to move the hair from the back to the front. I think I need to explain it a little better. I guess you'll see on the next one what oh, you see how I'm moving the hair to the front and now I'm wrapping the knocker around? Yep, That's all you gotta do. And just like that, boom, your daughter got a phony pony. Don't nobody know it's phony. She can't pull it out. Wait till y'all see my baby. Look at her looking at herself. She started feeling herself for the first time. Like, oh, I mean, as far as with the phony pony, she always feel herself. But y'all know what I mean. My baby hair turned out so cute. Child, she was cute or whatever. And then she kept slinging her little hair around. She did not know how to act when she got these phony ponies in her hair. I see why God don't get everybody long hair flowing down their back. Because sis was acting like, don't touch me. Don't touch my hair. Her daddy was like, look at what you started with this weave thing. But it turned out so cute. Is there any little girl styles that you thought was so cute that you always wanted to try, or any styles that was your go-to style for your little girls to make your life easier? Because, baby, doing her hair is the battle within itself. Okay, get off me until you wash your hands. Wipe your hands. You gotta wash your hands. Look at y'all. She interrupted me trying to do a voiceover. Typical her. Right now, her hair is in braids and a phony pony. It's cute. I gotta take a picture and upload it. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow before I drop her off to her grandma. You going with your granny, girl? Yeah. Your hands sticky?
Yeah.
Go wash your hands. Guys, she does not act like she won. This girl act like she been here before. It's so crazy to me how she acting. But let me let y'all finish watching this video. One more thing before I let y'all go, because I don't think I mentioned. Did y'all subscribe? And if you did subscribe, have you shared it with a friend? Please, 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 please help us get to 1,000 followers. The watch hours will come so that we could be monetized, because I actually do enjoy making content, but I work a lot. So pretty girl, turn around so I can see your hair. Oh yeah, you like it? Y'all, sis was in the mirror. She kept looking at her reflection like, who is this girl with all this hair? Kissing herself. Then turning around and look at herself like, who is she? Like, my baby was real deal happy with her phony ponies. And I hope y'all babies be happy with their phony ponies too. When you do try to phony ponies, make sure you tag us and note that we showed you guys how to get y'all phony ponies on point. Look at my baby. She was so happy with her hair, guys. And you can't pull them out because they're like tied in kind of with a knocker. I didn't have to worry about her pulling them out at all. Even when she pulled on them, none of them came out. So yeah.